Have you ever received annoying spam calls or unwanted messages, or just wanted to cut someone off from contacting you? Well, blocking contacts on an iPhone is super easy, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Follow along as I walk you through every step. Let's dive in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Phone app. This is the green icon with a white phone receiver. Tap on Recents at the bottom. Find the number you want to block, then tap the small I icon next to it. Scroll down and you'll see the Block This Caller option. Tap it, confirm by selecting Block Contact, and you're done. You can also tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom. This will bring up your entire contact list. Now, find the contact you want to block. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type in their name. Once you locate them, tap on their name to open their contact details. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Block This Caller. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up, explaining that blocking this contact means they won't be able to call, message, or FaceTime you. If you're sure, tap Block Contact, and just like that, they're blocked. You can also block somebody from the Settings app. Go to Settings and then scroll down until you find Apps. On the Apps section, scroll down to find Phone and tap on Blocked Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of all blocked numbers. Tap on the Add New and select the contact you want to block. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're blocking someone from your contacts, recent calls, or messages, iPhones make it super easy to keep unwanted calls and texts at bay. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.